Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find a zip code of your location, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. To do that, simply go ahead, access the browsing app of yours, and then go to the search bar and type in zip code of your region and your city and your place's name, and then the zip code will appear right away here. You can go ahead, tap on it, copy the zip code itself, and you can use it for whatever purpose you wanted to know it, for the documentation, for the address on some shopping websites. You can simply go ahead and put it there, and that is it. As long as you have the information of your place, you will be able to know the zip code of it right away. You simply have to go ahead and access your Google or Chrome, whatever you prefer on your device, whatever you have. You're gonna go ahead, search it up, the zip code for it, and there you go. It will simply right away appear over there and you're good to go. That's basically how it works and how you can access. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.